8 Early Warning Signs of Colon Cancer. According to the American Cancer Society, colorectal cancer ranks as the third most preventable type of cancer across the United States. In 2021 alone, diagnoses are expected to reach 104,270, with 70% of them being cases of colon cancer. Thankfully, like every other cancer, early detection is critical so that patients can have access to more varied treatment options and improve chances of recovery. Before we continue, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload the next video. Unknown to many, colon cancer has several warning signs that will help you catch it early. Here are 8 early signs and symptoms of colon cancer you should watch out for. 1. Abdominal discomfort. Abdominal discomfort is among the earliest signs of colon cancer. While most experience a persistent ache, others suffer from cramping, gas, and bloating more frequently. Additionally, the feeling is typically more painful after meals and could get progressively worse over time as the issue is left untreated. 2. Irregular bowel movement. The onset of colon cancer can cause you to experience changes in your bowel movement, which could involve irregularity, diarrhea, or constipation. In many cases, it could affect a change in stool consistency despite having no significant changes in your diet. 3. Narrow stools. Pencil-thin stools aren't always caused by cancer, and it could be an utterly everyday occurrence. But when it occurs every time you eliminate waste, it could be a sign of growing polyps or cancer within the colon. Such growths cause the colon's diameter to narrow and therefore thins the passing stools. 4. Blood in stools. Having blood in your stools is a definite sign that something is wrong. Although hemorrhoids could cause this, it is also a sign of colorectal cancer. The presence of blood can sometimes be evident because of an apparent red color. However, it could also cause your stools to be black or very dark if the bleeding occurs higher up in your bowels. 5. Feeling of rectal pressure. When you have polyps or cancers in your colon, you might feel like you're unable to empty your bowels. You'll notice some pressure in your rectum even after you have passed your stools. In some cases, this might progress from a feeling of slight pressure to one of pain. 6. Unexplainable weight loss. Cancer cells can damage your colon in ways that leave your body unable to absorb nutrients from your food. When this happens, you will eventually become malnourished, and you'll notice that you're losing weight even if you're not exerting any effort to do so. 7. Anemia. Anemia is another consequence of your body's diminished ability to absorb nutrients from your food. As an early warning sign of colon cancer, anemia may cause you to feel weak, experience irregular heartbeats, and dizziness. In some cases, you might also have chest pains and shortness of breath. 8. Inexplicable fatigue. When your body is fighting cancer cells, you'll notice that you're constantly fatigued. You'll find it challenging to go about your daily routine, and you'll find yourself sleeping long hours. Anemia and malnourishment could add to this issue and make you feel inexplicably unwell. These early warning signs of colon cancer should help you get an early diagnosis and improve your chances of remission. If you experience any of these symptoms, it doesn't automatically mean you have some colorectal cancer. However, it should prompt you to see your doctor and get yourself screened to avoid severe health issues. Following our study references we used to create this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.